there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Candace. I'm a scientist turned rancher. I live a really active life riding, roping, gardening, and homesteading right here on my ranch. Today I'm excited to share with you one of my favorite healthy snacks that keeps me energized throughout the day. Tangy hummus, but with a twist. Hummus is not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. It's packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats that make it a perfect snack for any time of the day. Plus, when you make it at home, you know exactly what ingredients are going to go into it. No preservatives, just pure goodness. So here's what you're going to need. You're going to need a can of chickpeas or garbanzo beans, organic if you can find it. A couple of cloves of garlic. I like garlic, so I use a little extra. The juice of 1/2 of a lemon. 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Now these are the fun ingredients and what's going to really pack that flavor. These essential oils are our secret ingredients. Lemon essential oil, which is extracted from the peel, not only enhances the flavor, but also offers some amazing health benefits. It's known for its ability to boost mood, support immune function, and aid digestion. Meanwhile, black pepper adds a really warm, peppery flavor and is great for its antioxidant properties and ability to support healthy circulation. And then we'll add salt and pepper to taste. Now, if you guys saw my other video, which I'll link at the end of this one, on making gourmet sea salts, I actually have a sea salt recipe that has salt and black pepper essential oil in it, and that's the salt I'm going to use for this recipe. So I'm going to add my garbanzo beans into my blender, and then I am going to add everything but the essential oils and salt and pepper. So our garlic, our lemon juice, and the olive oil. Now I'm going to go blend this up, and then we'll add in the rest of the ingredients. Okay, I have my ingredients pretty well blended, and now I'm going to add just 3 drops of lemon essential oil and 2 drops of black pepper essential oil. And finally, my salt pepper blend. And this is to taste, so however much salt you like. Now I'm gonna go back to the blender and give that another spin. Okay, it's all blended smooth, and we're just gonna garnish it with just a little bit of drizzle of olive oil and some smoked paprika. Man, look at this delicious homemade hummus. And it was so easy. And it's perfect for snacking. You can spread it on sandwiches, or you can serve it as a party dip. And the best part, it's made with known ingredients and no preservatives. If you're curious about how I stay so active and energetic even in my 60s, join my weekly workshop where I share my tips and secrets for a healthy, vibrant life on the ranch. You can register using the link below in the description. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more healthy, homemade, and DIY recipes. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Check out my next video on the 5 gourmet sea salts, one of which we used in the recipe today.